What's up? It's your boy Rooster, and before I lead into this one, I want to take a moment to address the fact that while we were away and busy playing airsoft this weekend, our YouTube channel managed to sell past 1,000 subscribers, and that's awesome. So I wanted to take a moment to say thank you to everyone, and we really appreciate all of the support. So now on to our gameplay. Today we're bringing you some new and interesting angles. Me, Orion, and Falcon will be highlighted a bit, and what a great day it was to play some airsoft. I was personally playing a support role with the 249 in preparation for our next major Milsim event out at Bone Crusher in Georgia. I wanted to make sure everything was ready and there were no surprises on game day. Anyways, we hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks again for watching. Rooster out.
Gotta get our guys over there.
I gotta say, that is fun.
It is fun, dude. Just feel how heavy it is. Oh god. Dude,
try this out, bro.
Yeah, I know, right?
This is so
That's like
cool.
super light. The hardest thing for me on that is to pull the damn hammer back.
Dude, this is so fun.
I know, it's gonna be fun out there.
Oh god, man.
Like my arm's already hurting from carrying
I
them.
bet, dude, this...
I have tennis elbows, so it doesn't help.
Oh, shit.
Alright, I'm following you because I wasn't paying attention to certain briefing.
I don't know, he wanted me to sit somewhere on a hill.
Because aren't we supposed to keep them from getting to...
Yeah. Hey Isaac, where did he want me? What's the purpose of this?
I have no...
How you been, bro?
Good.
Good. Fuck, chilling, man. Between here and Milsim's.
I'm keeping up on Facebook, though.
Yeah. Hey, should we set up like a bunch of these barrels and get behind them and just... Like, is this the hill? I mean... Or do we need to... Do I need to jump up on top of that van?
One right there, right there.
Where?
Blue team ahead of you! His head's right there, you see him?
I'm safe. Y'all want to try to follow him and sweep those two or what? I was just trying to give y'all cover fire walking through there. Should we use the diner?
So, the only way I can get rezzed, right, is by the medic?
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
Okay. So we have to stay together.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I would have ran in there.
Are they still up there?
Joker ran around. Saw some people up behind that big fire. Yeah, he's still back there.
Just keep them fixed. We could flank them if anybody wanted to try to run up on that side.
Joker's over there.
Okay.
Joker and somebody else.
We got somebody running point there too, so.
Okay, I believe there's three guys ahead of us behind
We're
Butcher
dying,
Truck.
so
It's gonna go down.
right.
Cover me.
Hey.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Copy.
Wouldn't it up to the tree side? Or does it get kind of shitty when you go through there?
Oh, you can get over there if you want, but
It's kind of,
they can shoot you from here. He's right there. There you go. Send him running. So you can walk straight through there if you want. I can see him.
Who's calling for a medic? In there? Okay. one. Damn, that's 3 already, dude. They're in the hay bales! Oh, these pants are a little tight.
I got my top pants on.
Medic!
Right. Hang on.
You gotta come get me.
Right, we're about to push up on your left side. That's one. You see this kid over here still? He's out. All right, we got over down. We can look down through there, and we'll watch through here. All right, we just cleared out the dudes behind those. Just keep your eyes open. They were behind the bales. I think we're gonna try to push down this trail. On your left. Gotcha. I think they can see us.
Side right here.
I don't know.
Let's see who that is.
Do we have revives or what?
Yeah, he's a medic.
Hit.
10 seconds later.
All right, we'll just hold. We're doing our job, keeping them here, keeping them from flanking us.
Right here in front.
You guys, we need some people watching this way, and we need other people watching this way.
We're watching this way.
They're in the front of church too.
Are they over there now?
I know we had some red over there earlier.
All right, that means, yeah, sniper's down. Is that dude blue?
Yep.
No, I need a medic right now. You got me?
What? I didn't see him.
You fucking rolled it. I gotta see
He must have. There he is.
I'm not here. Got him again.
He's down. Good job, guys. We probably should hold this corner at least because that's where they're trying to flank us. Game? All right. Good game, guys.
Yeah, that was.
I mean, I think our objective ultimately we kept them from sweeping us and flanking us, so. And then we kept them busy enough that we were able to respawn.
This thing fucking sucks. It's a rental, isn't it?
Yeah.
The only reason I have a rental is because my buddy wants to run mine.
Go, 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 go!
Swifty with the blicky. 3, 2, 1, move.
I'm on the boat.
Alright.
One just ran up to the boat. There's two in the corner of that
I see him
building
up on the
outside
boat.
of it. You see that corner?
Yeah, I hit one of them.
Craft.
I tagged one of them, but I think he's getting at it. I see him on boat, but I can't shoot it here because of the rules.
Well, I want to make sure I'm not just running out to a kill zone before I just run out there because I'm
Is this
low on ammo.
legal? Can't tell if that's legal to shoot through.
I think I'm just going to rush.
Is this legal to shoot through, Rooster?
Yeah, you got to be away from it though. You can't point your rifle at it. Some of it. Oh man, fuck.
Okay, everybody medic! Medic! Anybody medic? Anybody medic?
I know I got that dude through the crack. Got that, dude. Shoot on the boats down. He did. Bam, bam, bam.
First suspension.
That was a good run though.
You dead?
Yeah.
Oh, you're blue.
I'm medic. Medic, we got a medic here.
He's blue.
I think it was going pretty damn straight.
Rooster, we got a medic. Oh, you gotta show you each other. I'm going back. I'm going back. Someone needs to get the flag. Cover him, cover him. Cover him.
Are they going? Hey, it's
You know we're on pause right now.
on pause, dude.
Alright.
Dude, that was sitting right here.
Yeah, I shot him in the face when he poked out.
He was like,
He peeked up, I shot him in the
he started
face.
doing this.
And then he shot him, he came up again and was pointing a gun at us, so I shot him again.
I started shooting at his head.
And he was shooting under the boat at us, so I shot him again. He walked away and was flipping me off, so I shot him in the back of the head.
I shot him in the foot and the head, and then he just started blind firing.
Well, he walked away and flipped me off, so I just said, boop, boop.
I did hit one kid first game.
All the hits you take, would you just say you shake it off?
Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake it off.